Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove password from PDF document. So let's get started. First, we will open the PDF file which is password protected. So this is the PDF file which is password protected. Now when I try to open the PDF, this will ask for the password. Let's enter the password. So now we are going to remove the password from this PDF file. To remove the password from the PDF, just go to the location where the PDF file is stored. Now long press on the PDF file and at the bottom click on three dots which is more. Now from the available options, tap on open with. Now select Google Drive and click just once. If you don't have Google Drive installed on your mobile, then just download Google Drive and sign in with your Google ID. Just enter the password and here is the PDF file. Now tap on three dots at the top right side and from the available options, tap on print. Now on the screen, just tap on this yellow button that says download PDF. Now select the location where you want to save your PDF file. Tap on save button and the file will be saved. Now go back and just open the location where your PDF file is saved. And here is the PDF file that we just saved. And when we try to open this PDF file, it will not ask for the password. That means the password from the PDF document is now removed. So that is how you can remove password from PDF file. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.